Wireless earbuds are everywhere now, for music, calls, podcasts, workouts, and even sleeping. But one hearing-related question trending online is whether earbuds could actually be affecting your ears more than people realize. For some people, wearing earbuds for long periods may contribute to ear discomfort, trap moisture, irritation, or even wax buildup. Because earbuds sit close to the ear canal, they can sometimes prevent natural airflow and may push wax deeper over time, especially if ears are already prone to blockage. That doesn't mean you have to stop using them completely, but it does mean it's worth paying attention if your ears suddenly feel blocked, itchy, or uncomfortable. Another important factor is listening volume. Many people don't realize that repeated exposure to loud audio over time may contribute to gradual hearing changes. If you're finding yourself increasing volume levels more often or struggling to hear conversations clearly, it could be worth getting things checked. At Hearing First Surbiton, our audiologist can assess whether symptoms may be linked to earwax buildup, hearing changes, or irritation caused by everyday habits. If wax is present, treatments such as microsuction or syringing may be recommended depending on suitability. Healthy hearing habits today can make a real difference long term.